Hurricane season is back. Hurricane season is officially here, and if you live in the upstate of South Carolina, you know how real the impact can be. Last year reminded us of how fast things can change and how important it is to be ready and not reactive. No power means no AC, spoiled food, and no way to stay connected when it matters the most. That's where a home backup generator from Tuck and Howell comes in. When the grid goes down, your power doesn't. Your comfort, safety, and peace of mind protected. We've been serving the upstate South Carolina for over 50 years, and helping families prepare is what we do best. Don't wait for the next storm to take you by surprise. Let's get you hurricane season ready today.